One of the simplest ways to get increased horsepower from a vehicle is to help it breathe better. A performance air intake system is a quick and easy way to get your engine more airflow, thereby increasing horsepower and acceleration. In the early 1990s, K&N pioneered the Fuel Injection Performance Kit, paving the way for the creation of air intake systems seen today. Most K&N performance air intake systems included either a roto-molded high-density polyethylene air intake tube or a mandrel bent aluminum air intake tube, coupled with a large conical K&N high-flow air filter and protected by an application-specific heat shield. Some intakes utilize additional features such as enclosed air boxes, supplementary air inlets, or even cold air intake scoops. The stock intake assembly on most modern cars is a maze of baffles and tubes that force air to take a restrictive path to the engine. This complex maze of tubing is replaced by a free-flowing tube directing air from the air filter straight into the engine. Most cars today come with a restrictive disposable paper air filter inside a plastic air box. K&N intake systems replace the entire stock air box with an oversized conical high-flow K&N air filter to allow even more air. Additionally, most K&N intake systems feature a heat shield or enclosed air box to help isolate the intake air from engine heat. This allows cooler air into the engine, which further increases performance. All of these components work together to create additional horsepower, a custom look to your engine, and a better engine sound. K&N offers a variety of styles of intake systems to meet customer desires. Many K&N intake systems feature a non-metallic roto-molded intake tube. This style of tube allows more flexibility of design and tube shape while maintaining a more stock look under your hood. Other intakes feature a mandrel bent aluminum intake tube that creates a more custom look under the hood and comes in a variety of colors and finishes. Both of these intake styles feature K&N's traditional high-flow cotton air filter media that's washable and reusable. K&N's newest intakes, the Black Hawk Induction Series, features a black powder-coated aluminum intake tube and a black oil-free synthetic air filter. All of K&N's intakes are guaranteed to provide an increase in horsepower and come with the K&N 10-year million-mile limited warranty. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or are new to wrenching on your own car, K&N intake instructions and videos make installation quick and easy. K&N air intake systems use factory mounting points, reuse OE hardware when possible, and rarely require any cutting, drilling, or modifications. They can typically be installed with common hand tools in 90 minutes or less. If you're looking for more performance for your car or truck, a K&N intake system is a great first step. With over 600 intake systems available for sale, make your move to K&N. Superior airflow, superior performance.